We're going to show you a smart way of testing a Unity game on Android and iOS using 3 of our tools. We're going to run a set of automated tests that simulate users' behavior as closely as possible. For this case, we chose a tutorial game published by Unity, where the player can be controlled by moving a mobile device. In order to test various scenarios of the game, we need to identify objects inside the game. We do this by using AltTester, a tool that gives you the option to programmatically control a Unity game. You can download AltUnityTester from the Unity Asset Store and import it in Unity Editor. We wrote some tests in C#, such as starting the game, avoiding obstacles, and navigating through menu items. For randomizing the test execution, we use a model-based testing framework called AltWalker. Using this approach, we create a directed graph to represent the different states the game can be in. At each node, AltWalker checks the current state of the game and decides randomly which step will be executed next. The game is implemented to use the device's sensors to trigger the player's movements. So when AltWalker reaches the scenario where players have to avoid obstacles, we need to move the mobile device. We do this through Turntable, a tool we built to simulate such movements. AltWalker continues to navigate through the graph until a stop condition is met. One of the conditions could be 100% node coverage. So there you have it. With the help of these 3 tools, we managed to automate and randomize the testing of a Unity game while simulating the actions a user would perform. Looking for a smart solution to test your product? Contact us.